everyone. My name is Luna. I am your English little teacher. The animals are having a party. Let's join in.
Hey, hey, hey. Are you ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Elephant, elephant, elephant likes bananas, na 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 na, na 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 na. Lion, lion, lion likes a bone, likes a big bone, na 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 na, na 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 na. Panda, panda, panda likes a bone, big bone, na 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 na, na 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 na. Yummy, yummy food, na 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 na. Yummy, yummy food, na 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 na. Hey, hey, hey. Hippo, hippo, hippo likes bird nest, na 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 na, na 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 na. Crocodile, crocodile, crocodile likes bird nest too, na 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 na. Tiger, tiger, tiger likes a bone, big bone, na 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 na, na 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 na. Yummy, yummy food, na 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 na. Yummy, yummy food, na 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 na. Hey, hey, hey. Rhino, rhino, rhino likes a leaf green leaf, na 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 na, na 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 na. Bananas, bananas, bone, bone, leaf, leaf, bird nest, bird nest. Yummy, yummy food, na 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 na. All my friends say yum, yum, yum. Na 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 na. Hey, 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 yeah. Bye bye elephant, lion, panda. See you next time. Yummy, yummy food.
Hello, guys. Welcome to our class. I'm Luna. This is my cute little friend, Rumi.
Hello, Luna. Hi, boys and girls.
Okay, Rumi, are you ready for the lesson? Let's get started. Look, it's very, very tall. Can you guess who is it?
Giraffe, giraffe.
It's a giraffe. 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 Can you say giraffe? Good job. Do you know who is the king of the zoo? Guess who?
Lion, lion.
It's a lion. 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 Say with us. Lion. Nice word. Listen. It has a long, long nose. It is huge. Guess who?
Elephant, elephant.
It's an elephant. 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 Come on. Great. It's black and white and loves bamboo. What animal is it? Thinking with your little smart brain.
Panda, panda.
It's a panda. Panda. Say panda. Orange and black stripes. Likes animal meat. Guess who?
Tiger, tiger.
It's a tiger. 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 Good job. It's big and loves water. Guess who?
Hippo, hippo.
It's a hippo. 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 Say hippo. Super. Snap. Snap. Long mouth. What is it?
Crocodile, crocodile. Blue crocodile.
It's a crocodile. 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 Cool. It has a big horn on the nose with a strong, huge body. Guess who?
Rhino, rhino.
It's a rhino. 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 Strong.
Hello, boys and girls. Today we're playing a matching game.
Yeah, matching games.
It's like this. This is an elephant, right? So we will match it to this word, elephant. Elephant.
Elephant. Say it. Correct. Keep going.
And next, the giraffe. Giraffe near the flowers. Lion. And the panda is happy. Hippo, hippo near the bird nest. Oh, crocodile. Crocodile's turn.
Crocodile. Say it. Correct. Keep going.
Oh, did you see something? On the grass it's purple and on the river it's blue. The rhino. Where is the rhino? Oh, here. Next, my little tiger.
Tiger. Say it. Correct. Keep going.
And the robot dog is creepy. Hey, where's the dog? Oh, here. Now it's the turtle's turn. Turtle. Yes. And the snail. Okay, fish. This is not hard. This and this and these are two. Bird nest.
Bird nest. Say it. Correct. Keep going.
Yay! Okay. Goodbye, boys and girls.
Kids, it is story time.
The Silly Elephant and the Kind Panda. One morning, the elephant picked lots of bananas and filled his cart. He was pulling it home when he saw the panda dancing a funny bamboo dance. He laughed so hard that he let go and the cart rolled down the hill all by itself. It stopped right in front of the panda's house. The panda saw the bananas and thought, "What a nice gift!" He happily carried them inside. The elephant got home and saw his cart was empty. He ran back and shouted, "You stole my bananas!" The panda looked sad. "I thought you gave them to me." Just then, the lion walked by and said, "I saw everything." The cart rolled down on its own. The elephant's face turned red. "I am so sorry," he said. "I got angry too fast." "Let's share the bananas." The panda smiled brightly. So the elephant and the panda sat together, ate the sweet bananas, and laughed all day. The end.
Did I fall asleep? Oh, let's keep going.
Where did the elephant's banana go? Oh, I know. His bananas was picked by the panda.
Good job.
Kids, was the panda did right?
Kids, if you like our video, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.